Maybe rain a little bit.
Everyone just sits it off. Fucking girl comes in. I know. I'm in a gorilla suit. I don't think so.
Yeah, that's where it usually comes from. It comes from like the outskirts. A lot of things. So I find out what truly is wrong.
I was going to say that.
That's too stupid.